boosting children's mental strength with solar energy.
भास्कराय विद्महे महद्युतिकराय धीमहि तन्नो आदित्यः प्रचोदयात् भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयामदेवाः.
This mantra celebrates the sun's radiance, enhancing children's health, vitality and mental strength.
आरोग्यस्य स्थाने स्तदेतसा भाति.
Arogasya, health. The sun's rays help children stay happy and balanced by supporting their mood and emotional well-being. This positive effect is important for maintaining mental balance and preventing low moods. Brajasya, splendor. Natural sunlight helps children sleep better, which is important for their overall growth and emotional health. The beauty of sunlight also sparks creativity and a sense of wonder, which are key for thinking and problem solving. Patarasya, atmosphere. The sun's energy helps create a safe environment by blocking harmful rays and allowing in beneficial light. This protective effect is similar to offering children a nurturing space where they can grow and tackle challenges. Patangasya, flying creatures. Watching birds and insects teaches children about exploration and independence. This experience fosters a sense of adventure and boosts their confidence in handling life's challenges. Swarnarasya, waters. The sun's influence on water is similar to how it inspires creativity and thought in children. Just as the sun helps water evaporate and return to the earth, it also sparks children's imagination and ideas. Playing with water in the sunlight can boost their sensory experiences and creativity. Jyotishilmatasya, celestial bodies. The sun's prominent position in the sky helps children understand their place in the world. This sense of wonder about the universe fosters a love for learning and exploration. Vibhasasya, lights. The sun's light symbolizes knowledge and learning. Spending time in the sunlight helps children develop a positive outlook and a curious nature, encouraging them to explore and learn about their surroundings. Kashyapasya, Kashyapa. Kashyapa, who represents the sun, symbolizes the source of life and energy. Understanding this helps children feel more connected to nature and appreciate their role in the environment, fostering a sense of responsibility and empathy. The sun's key position in the heavens teaches children about their place in the world. Chanting this mantra can ignite their imagination and spark a lifelong curiosity about the universe. For more engaging content and insights, subscribe to Divine Novel on YouTube and continue your exploration with us.